Who's Dr. Balmel? Balmel is one of the businessmen in South Sudan, known by smuggling foreign fake currency and export country gold and diamond illegally. Balmel's name is not just tied to corruption and sanctioned financial crimes. It is also soaked in the blood of innocent South Sudanese, while the world may know him as a tycoon, sanctioned by the United States for embezzlement and economic exploitation. The North Nuer people know him for something far worse: complicity in the bombardment and destruction of their communities, complicit in war crimes. During the Civil War and subsequent government offensives, Balmel used his companies and influence to support and fund military campaigns that devastated Nuer-populated areas. Nasser, Fangik, Mam, and Ulan counties, home to thousands of civilians, were turned into battlegrounds where government airstrikes and ground assaults claimed the lives of many, including women and children. These were not random tragedies. They were calculated military actions sustained by those who profited from war. Reports from humanitarian organizations, local eyewitnesses, and defected insiders confirm what survivors have long shouted into the void. Balmel's companies provided logistical support and fuel to military operations, enabling air raids that targeted civilian zones. These bombardments were not acts of war, they were crimes against humanity, economic looting and ethnic targeting. It's not enough that Balmel looted South Sudan's economy through exclusive government contracts and bank manipulation. He is also seen by many as an enabler of ethnic cleansing policies under the guise of infrastructure development and state building. The economic power he wields has been used not to build unity or peace, but to crush dissent and deepen ethnic division. To the children in Nasser, to the mothers in Ulan who buried sons and daughters under burning thatch huts, Balmel is not a businessman. He is a destroyer. The presidency, never. How can a man tainted by genocide, corruption, and foreign sanctions dream of leading a nation? Balmel has neither the moral ground, the legal standing, nor the public trust to ever lead South Sudan. His ambitions are not only unrealistic, they are an insult to every citizen who has suffered under the weight of war, displacement, and systemic looting. The presidency of South Sudan must belong to someone who builds, not someone who bombs, someone who heals, not someone who hides behind contracts and blood money. Balmel will never be president, not because the people won't allow it, but because history itself will reject it.
Mala mu dijen ge kedial tinegoro viatelia motot ka kiwuda mabuyen turdama jarama pai kamkwar michale Dr. Bulmel dan gone kematod bialinga kwiden tama akan kan kwanoga min bialinga kwide mi jarama ken channel mo ken bor goro bi channel bija bor kodi lar plaje kanenisha bukono re kamunde kon lat ka kiwuda nama en wuda wi en turdama goma jarama cha kamkwar Selfa ke mayar dit manka pate kira maro da malalar dial. Nei konon kwarn selfa ke mayar dit chipoine cha tagajoy ka gwa mishiwa ko chipoine cha tagajoy jan gore jan wa mu wajian rama babain kwaranga. Te chanya da yo kwain ko ba jara man nyam ka pate kira mu gurja ko na bwa bajian ga jamano bala dial baka ladajan. Na moja na chiro lapan ke Balmel cha kamrang ko bela dial tenda lat baka to kamela daka cha tangen utum to belana ko katen cha to belana binai ban ke ye binai lun ke ye ko biakaling mangone biangai ke kuda na ma fuda ma nuken nyam makan de ban ka o ba politician Kenyam dian agwan gatka ala etajer mangai ke kasa Sudan o businessman jala da man mangai ke jaga kasa Sudan chane ka politik duno ne jangai ke je o dian agwan gap kana Kenyam kadwa ban be ka kuma gaja dian ka gwa metak tenya president Kenya kwar ni salpa ken ya dit cha bukwen ka kor ka mi chenya kwar cha kwen chai chu muy kalat mi cha muy la don da de cha kam shi lan mi tot alan mi dit la ledena ka parliament mi cha muy kalat ka parliament no che chu ta kana la wa ka mi she ke yam la ba be la wa den yam met kwete yam te la daten ka kore che ban to ka no gen bai ne te ka Vice President ba ka wuch chajen chawat chajen chao kamwa Dr. Waniga lai chao kwa nyala Vice President ka wa Waniga chao Waniga chao wuch chao lat ka party lai Secretary General la ramun nyam ka party mun gor to dial da la da ka party chao Waniga chao la gwami chao kan tana gwami chao kan ka party chao non ka president la Vice President ajan do bebe ke wud misale bol mel ajan do bebe ke jenial na mo no wan tu de nian ajan do be ka politik ya na mo jan tele ja ka politik ni wan ka jan ku yen la ngaden wo chi netum wan ka kan par kuma de de tanawal chi ga long ko en ramu pa eben kan e kan do be ge ja ke leo amuda kwarbun kan ge jamo ka tele ja ka politik ni wan na mo che che gwar ga char nentum wan tin ta ka politik ni wan chica gaga long adena kula te ko kantana kan ka ban wa de kam ka de long tan pan na mone a michelo den che ya na mo jena go ne bne lari ku piu da michalo bol mel ko den ni kan ya makan ne ban ka politik dena ban ya gat ka melane ya gat tale ja ku kuma lai chiran kuma ne kan yam aramulane lat ka rei week ela ban ya gat ka rianga te ga yo ka jela ne mi ka kor ka meji na kwar chu kwen chai chu moi kalan mudit kai chai yu to ka muno gen yal man me chop no ko ba Vice President na anta me cha kam ni je chairperson dum pa de ka la te ka lwan ko baro li chung la kwar mo election mo ba do not take it to go ti cha butung lat tin yo te tam be ka gen yal kin yu jeg de wo cha ban la kwar jega cha gwa ga ji so Sudan dia draw kana go na bine ka laria ka piur na ma echa kana no gora ne chila da te biata mal